Hi guys, I'm sharing with you my finger painting hibiscus. This time I challenged myself to use my left hand to paint. I'm right-handed. I hope you will enjoy this video. Stay tuned. This time I use my Samsung A51 to paint. I drew 3 hibiscus. Look at me, slowly painting the flowers. You wanna know why? I love painting so much. Usually I will paint in the morning after my breakfast, and when I'm alone. It calms me actually. You should try too. Art is a therapy. Try it and you'll love it. What's your favorite flower? I do love hibiscus. I could remember when I was younger, my uncle planted hibiscus all over the garden. I love to see the flowers so much. Every evening, I will follow my aunt to water the plants. And I love to see the red ones, yellow ones, and also the white ones. Can you guess who's with me while I was painting? Okay, let's see who's with me. It's Bibi. See? What do you think about it? You like it? Thank you for watching.